Navy always regularly conducts maritime domain awareness, maritime situation awareness, and maritime security patrols in that area, specifically in West Philippine Sea. So during their patrol in that area, specifically in Sabina Shoal, the ship, I will just mention you what the name of the ship a while ago, I forgot the name. But it is also our fast attack interdiction craft that sought the black bag and turned it over to the PDEA in allowance. Proper investigation would be conducted there. We would be getting the facts also related to how long it was, what time was it seen, because that would directly determine how it was deployed in that area and who deployed such things in Sabina Shoal. I would not say that there are particular vessels that deployed these drugs, but we can come back to you once we get facts from the operating unit that was in West Philippine Sea. On the 20th, that was when these items were given to PDEA.
Sabay dinala sa Palawan yung drugs tsaka yung debris?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sa Puerto Princesa, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
In the PDEA at Puerto Princesa.